I'm heating this sand up to get it dry for the experiment. I found the sand around us from molehills. I'm using this sand to polish some glass from a previous video to see what the difference would be by tumbling it with water and without water. It looks so nice. At this stage I don't have any connections or availability for polishing materials, so I'm experimenting to see what I can use for future projects. In this video, I'm just going to show you the difference between the glass types, and it's called part 1 of 2. This pebbles and glass were tumbled in a previous video with 60 grit sandpaper. That video I will add at the end of this video. I'm going to keep the wet side at the left and the dry side at the right for the whole video. So at the end, the glass that we will see will be in that order. The tumbling time was 3 weeks. After that I let it stand for a while before I started to make these videos. I think it was a fault, but that will be a next video. I'm going to make a part 2 of this video, nothing about the glass, but about the struggling to get it out. In this video I'm not going to show it to you, but in part 2 you will see what happened and what I found. Cleaning everything, laying it out and let it dry. Here we have the left side is the wet tumbling and the right side is with the dry sand. The conclusion that I made was that there is no difference between the wet sand or the dry sand. The glass is smooth, but it's not polished to a clear level yet. So still a lot of experimenting that I have to follow to get it right. The glass is smooth and it feels nice to touch it. It's much better than just normal broken glass. Remember to subscribe and follow me for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.